this is our house.
Oh yeah! Evan bring the big truck. Oh, that looks so good.
Hi YouTube family, my name is Alicia English and welcome back to my channel. We're standing on our new property. I can't even, the sun is shining, the river's flowing, the dogs are happy in their new little temporary run we made them. The boys are inside playing Lego, Nana's off foraging, and I think Papa is taking a much needed nap. So today we're going to do Operation Tackle the Front Porch. Now many of you might not think that was the first thing you'd work on when you go to a new property, but when your view looks like this, it becomes a priority. So really what we're having problem with is that we can't sit out on the porch with the pups because they just escaped, because look at this, we're having a problem that we're missing all of the uprights. So this isn't very dog safe or kid safe for that matter. And so today we're going to take off all of this old rotting wood. And Philip and I had a delivery, a curbside quarantine delivery from our new local home hardware, Port Hood, and they dropped off a lot of lumber for us to be able to fix up this deck space. We've ordered outdoor furniture for it. We have all the supplies we need. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna jazz this up. It's gonna look amazing, and then we can sit in the evenings and enjoy this view. So we have some demolition to do, my favorite kind of days. Let's break out the hammers.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again. Want the truth you're having.
Day 2 of our deck restoration project. We wanted to save as much of the original deck as we could. So what we're doing here is doing this banister on the outside. We still haven't done the bottom part. And we're going to create some privacy on this far side over here. And the reason we're doing that is because we have the view of the road. So that will give us not only a little bit of wind barrier, but also this privacy. What's going on the far side here? Now, you'll be able to see that those will be full in here so that we don't get any view from that road, and then we'll still have our gorgeous view, not Philip, he's my gorgeous view, gorgeous view of our river and our natural scenery this way without having any of the road view.
Nova's trying to dig out, I see that. She's a skate artist.
Is that the one you were telling me about at the house that she figured out the lock?
Yes.
Oh, that's Vin. Vin can let Nova out of the crate. Eating sawdust for dinner. Every time the wind blows. I can't wait to hang the studio lights.
I know, me too. Set a vibe in here.
Outdoor furniture, lights, carpets. Yeah, that's a vibe. That is a vibe.
Oh, I know.
We're just adding to the natural vibe. I can't say there's a worse place to be working outside, even though it's like -6 without the wind chill. And I'm pretty sure it's supposed to snow tonight.
It's snowing right now.
Look at the vibe. This is insane. Like, there's no better view than this. Crazy. Are you cold?
I'm a little bit chilly.
End of day 3 on the deck?
End of
or
day,
2?
End of day 3.
End of day 3.
Yeah.
I'm losing track.
Don't.
Okay, let's take a look from the road. We just put the string lights up because we were impatient to wait.
Ooh, that looks
So nice. Look, first coat on the first white panel. I'm still working on the railings, but I thought I was a little anxious. I wanted to get some.
Oh,
That's
wow.
we're using exterior paint over top of the pressure treated wood. And so I think this will definitely help us. We have a sort of like salty air here, you could say. So I just want to make sure it's protected really well to last us a long time. And we still have a little bit of skirting to do with the wood and a little bit more of the spindles to do, but I was anxious to get a little bit of white paint on this to see what it looks like from the road before I continue. So once this section here is all painted its first coat of white, I'm going to add some more spindles to the bottom, finish up the woodwork, and then probably go with a paintbrush in between everything to give everything a first coat over, and then I'll start with coats 2, and then we'll see if we need a third. Could be a little bit more white painting than we planned, but worth it, I think.
I freaking love it, baby. It's so, I can't see your face.
I'm cold. This is my cold face. It's
I love
freezing
it.
in the Atlantic bubble. Look at this water. We can hear this from our bedroom at night, and it's like my new white noise. Sometimes we like the fan going, but this is my new fan noise. I've replaced the fan and upgraded to a beautiful river. We got a lot of tree cleanup to do because no one has been here for a long time, and this house was built in 1920. So I'm not really sure that the last couple of owners had done any work here at all, and they've actually abandoned the place because they did work outside but nothing inside. So we definitely know that when the weather warms up, we have so much outside work to do, but I'm looking forward to all of it. So a lot of these trees have fallen down over the years. We need to get this all cleaned up. What do you think? You don't get to play with that toy yet. No. Looks fun though, right? That's gonna get all this cleaned up. And this way we have a lot of land behind our property. We have acreage all behind. Today I'm working on finishing more of the deck. Look at all our acreage. We'll take you on a tour when it doesn't have such wet ground back there right now.
Another beautiful day in lovely Nova Scotia.
Oh, I was waiting for another nice day to come out and finish the rest of the first coat of the whole deck project. Still have to do the floor of the deck, but I wanted to get all of the uprights painted today since it's so nice out. So I'm enjoying the weather. I'm just using my high white outside exterior beauty tone paint to be able to get this so white. So I know I'm going to need 2 coats because we're coating over pressure treated wood. And I just need a ladder to do the top parts, but I'm almost finished the last of my lower spots before we roll the first coat on the floor. Okay, YouTube family, my deck renovation is complete. I just have a few more pieces to add and some DIYs for the porch, but other than that, I'm just standing here enjoying this gorgeous view. But now, this is my gorgeous view. What a difference. We now don't have a falling down deck. It looks so nice just from our driveway here. I'm gonna show you some other clips at the end of this video of what you can see from the road, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. We now have some privacy and wind barrier here. All of the spindles are now back. We have some beautiful little studio lights. We have a little bit of a cleanup from the build to do still, but I was dying to show you before the sun went down what the deck looks like now. Here is the inside of the porch.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
hope that you enjoyed this porch makeover. It was a lot of fun to start the restoration of our 1920s abandoned home. We want to say thank you to everyone who's newly subscribed to our channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow along on our journey restoring this 1920s abandoned home. See you on the next episode.